4th down and 10, and they're going to go for it. This will be the final snap. The Cardinals have it at the 44. Surveys. Almost intercepted that time. Well, Phil, I enjoyed watching the game.
One more game.
How about a final thought about that victory?
Well, you know, Jim, I wish I could say the same, that I enjoyed spending these last 3 hours with you, but that's just not the case. But no, just kidding, of course. Nice win. They got to feel good about what they've done and celebrate a little tonight.
I think I'll see you next week, maybe. For Phil Simms and all the crew at EA Sports, Jim Nantz saying so.
All right, man. This is it. Moment of truth. Sorry, Knockout. Fell asleep there. He's like, dude, you fell asleep probably. Nah, just play this. Get it done. Time's at 12:30. Oh, okay. Gotta do it for the fan. No. All right, let's do this.
And welcome back as we're about to get underway.